Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. Crypto markets hit a fresh low for the year early this week, with Bitcoin falling as low as $3,600. It was reported that Google's search interest for Bitcoin is at a 6-month high. As searches tend to correlate with price activity, this could be a sign that public interest in Bitcoin is rising as its price becomes more affordable. The U.S. state of Ohio became the first in the nation to officially accept Bitcoin for tax payments. Businesses within the state will be able to pay their taxes in Bitcoin, and plans are in place to expand this payment method to individuals too. A class action lawsuit was filed against Bitmain, the major Chinese mining firm. The plaintiffs allege that Bitmain's ASIC miners are set to automatically mine for the company's benefit during initialization. The suit is seeking $5 million in damages from Bitmain. Paraguay revealed its plans to create the world's biggest Bitcoin mining farm. The country has a massive amount of renewable hydroelectric power, much of which it exports to nearby countries. By using the power from mining, Paraguay can greatly increase the profitability of its abundant energy. The U.S. government announced sanctions on 2 Bitcoin addresses which it says belong to Iranian hackers. It's unclear how the ban could be practically enforced. And finally, ASUS announced that their new graphics card will allow gamers to automatically mine crypto when not otherwise in use. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.